Hello everyone, it's AP from OG. Today we're installing an OG T-Sport fairing kit on this 2023 Softail Lowrider S. Our customer picked the 12-inch smoke windscreen with the black OG LED headlight projector. We also offer a bracket option that will integrate your OEM headlight. Before you begin, I highly advise getting the shop manual of your bike for detailed instruction. To begin, we will assemble the headlight conversion bracket kit. Torque the headlight mount to 20 foot-pounds. Now it's time to remove the OEM visor and headlight. Now that we have access to the riser bolt, loosen them until there's enough room to slide the upper fairing bracket. Install the upper fairing mount between the washer and the bushing cup. Do not slide it in completely. The stock washer should make full contact on the upper fairing bracket. Note that the upper fairing bracket position can be fine-tuned to accommodate different end control setup. Ensure that the upper fairing bracket is properly aligned with the top triple tree. Install your pre-assembled T-Sport headlight bracket using the OEM bolt. We will discard the longer bolt supplied with the kit as they only required when installed on a Softail sport light. Install your fairing shell onto the lower and upper fairing mount using the supplied hardware. The fairing shell bracket go on the inside of the upper and lower fairing mount. Torque the fairing hardware to 10 foot-pounds. Now it's time to install and plug in your new LED headlight into the supplied headlight bucket. Do not over-tighten the fillet screw. Just make sure it's snug and that the headlight doesn't move. Install your new headlight into the headlight bracket. You want to make sure that the bolt is tight, but that you can still pivot the headlight into position. Put some dielectric grease on the headlight connector, pivot the headlight assembly into the fairing, and make sure that it's not touching the fairing shell to avoid any vibration issue. Install the pre-assembled T-Sport fairing billet windshield arm into the inner fairing bracket using the supplied hardware. You want to tie the windshield arm hardware, but you want to make sure that you can still move them up and down. Insert the supplied rivet nut into the fairing shell. You want to make sure to put some blue Loctite on the windscreen bolt. Now it's time to install the grommet into the windscreen. Install the lower fairing bolt using the countersunk washer. Use anti-buffeting spacer, but do not torque them yet. The purpose of this anti-buffeting spacer is to optimize the wind flow around the bike and minimize the wind turbulence around the rider's head. Install the upper fairing bolt using the countersunk washer. You want to make sure to put some blue Loctite on this bolt. Torque the windshield hardware to 15 inch-pound. Now it's time to torque the upper fairing hardware. You want to tighten it until the grommet is compressed by half. Same thing for the lower bolt. You want to torque them until the grommet is compressed in half. Adjust the windshield angle so it's aligned with the fairing shell recess edge right here. The angle can be adjusted for your rider's preference. Torque the fairing arms to 15 foot-pounds. If you need any recommendation and rider feedback when it comes to the windscreen height and adjustment, contact our technical support team and we will be happy to help you out. If you have any other question regarding this installation, feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.